I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Citroen C3 Picasso. The first thing we do is to switch on Bluetooth. So Bluetooth's on, then again we go to menu here. We click menu, we navigate to Bluetooth telephone audio, click OK. Bluetooth configuration, click OK again. It's already showing up BT radio here, and that's what it is. So it's that's already performing a Bluetooth search. So let's see if I'll just put it there anyway. Click on BT radio, see what happens. If anything, right, it's brought up a PIN number. Now, this is where a lot of people get lost. They think there's a PIN number that you should put in, but you can put your own in. So 00000. The only reason I'm doing that is for ease of use. So I click pair there, and then it comes up, accept the pairing with Barry's iPhone 10, yes or no. So we click yes, and then we have to put the same code in here. So naught, it's on naught, and the reason I do naught is I just have to press that 4 times. There you go. Click the downward arrow, it goes to OK, click OK. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Well, you would, but I don't allow. That's it paired.